Hi lovelies! So today I'm going to be showing you how I did this green screen makeup step by step using Pinterest and CapCut. Let's start with Pinterest, and here we are going to head on to the search bar and I'm going to type in colorful backgrounds. So I'm going to choose the colorful patterns, and you can see that Pinterest has a lot of beautiful options to choose from. After you found the one you like, you're going to click on download image. Now we move on to CapCut. Here click on start a new project and pick the video that you want. Record a video of you with green makeup or any color you would want, but it has to be one color. So now it's time to pick the photos that you downloaded from Pinterest. There we are. When done, click on add. Before we start editing, confirm that you have all the images and videos that you want. Click on the video that you want and select it as an overlay. Here click on the images and adjust them to the sizes you want. So I'll go for 0.5. And remember, it doesn't have to be 0.5, you choose one according to your preference. Now that we are done, let's click on our video and select cutout, and here we're going to pick chroma key. Click on color picker, select the color that you want to green screen. Click on intensity, and here I'm going to select only one because if you move it further you literally disappear. Correct this, we're going to click on shadow and I'm going to move it to 69 and it's going to blend perfectly. Guys, just take a moment and take that beauty in. Just joking. Let's continue. The next step, we're going to enhance the video by making the black areas more darker. Click on filters, and over here we're going to pick on robust. You can literally see that it enhances the video, like the video has become more darker. So for this video, I'm going to go for the high saturation filter. That always works best for me. When done, slide it and make sure that it covers the whole video. You can see that the black areas are more darker than before. Love it. And now for the final part, we are going to download the video. You can either choose 2K or 4K or 1080 pixels, any of your choice, but I love 2K or 4K. Click on download and that's it. Can't wait to see you try this. Follow for more.